How to set up 2FA on Kraken Exchange. So first what you need to do is open your Kraken app and enter your passcode. After that, tap the profile link at the top left. Inside you will see the security section where you can set up two-factor authentication if it's not already enabled. Here you'll find the two-factor authentication option. You can either use passkeys or an authentication app. If you want passkeys, just tap on it, then tap add passkey, continue, and set it up with your phone's login passcode or iCloud keychain. If you prefer an authentication app, select it and tap add authentication app at the bottom. You may need to verify with your existing passkey, then tap continue and enter your passcode again. A QR code will appear that you can scan with Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, or you can tap copy to use the setup key instead. Now open your Authenticator app, tap the plus icon and choose enter setup key. Type a name like Kraken, paste the key, then tap add. The app will now generate a one-time code for Kraken. Make sure to keep your setup key private to avoid security risks. Back in Kraken, copy the code before it expires, paste it, then tap continue, enter the code and tap enter. Now two-factor authentication is active. You'll see both passkeys and the Authenticator app set up for your account. That's how you enable two-factor authentication on Kraken. Thanks for watching.